Hi everyone, I am Shrilaxmi. I am from Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology, Davangere. After my graduation, I joined to Emertxe. One of my senior friend assisted me to join the Emertxe in order to get more skills on the embedded system. As an electronics student, I wanted to land a job in the electronics domain itself. So with the interest of embedded system, I joined to the Emertxe. After joining the Emertxe, I learned many skills like C, C++, DS, MC and Linux internals. In each module, whatever the mentor support and the lab mentor supports which I have got has made me to go into depth in the particular module, and I was selected for the power track batch. Due to that power track batch, I focused more on the multiple projects rather than the compulsory projects, so that helped me my resume to look different among with my friends itself. And I placed it with a company called Ametek company. My interview experience was very good, and whatever I have taught in this course, the same questions were asked, and this course helped me to get into the job which I opted for long period, so that I ended with the embedded system job itself in the aerospace as a position with the aerospace engineer. And this was my testimony. I suggest everyone that if you are opting for the embedded system, then the Emertxe is very good, and the placement support which you get from Emertxe and the mentor support which you get through the courses, it will be very immense. So that I suggest everyone, whoever is focusing on the embedded system or embedded system engineer, you have to opt the Emertxe as a course for embedded system. Thank you.